3 Advantages and Disadvantages of Marrying Young Girls. Friends, in today's video, we will tell you 3 advantages and disadvantages of marrying young girls. Number 1, fear of intercourse. Sometimes a young girl hesitates to have sex, she is afraid to have intercourse, then in such a situation her husband should give time to his wife to let her get ready, mentally and physically. Do not forcefully do sex with her. And he should not threaten her to divorce, it is not appropriate to do so. Number 2, feeling pain during intercourse. Friends, if a man's wife is underage, and when a man has intercourse with his wife, if the wife feels pain, then if the man still makes intercourse compulsory, the result will be that his wife will start hating intercourse. And that may also turn into hating her husband, so the husband should not force his wife to do sex daily. When her heart does not want to have sex, do not force her and make her mentally and physically be ready. Number 3, making mistakes in youth. Friends, sometimes the wife pretends to be in pain and refuses to have sex with her husband. So, in this situation, the husband should first know whether his wife really has a problem or not. But if she is perfectly fine, and she still does not allow her husband to come near her. So in such a case, the man can be a little bit harsh to save his relationship. Because often, due to the mistakes of the girl's childhood, they do not have sex with their husbands out of shame after marriage. They think that what will my husband think about me if he finds out about my past? Friends, if you like these facts, do share them with your friends, and subscribe to this channel to stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.